We'll guide you through how to use keyboard shortcuts in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Asana website. Once the website loads, click Get Started to begin accessing your Asana account. After clicking Get Started, enter your email address in the provided field. When your email address has been entered, click Continue to proceed to the next step. After continuing, check your email inbox and find the verification code sent by Asana. Enter the verification code into the required field on the Asana page. Once the verification code has been entered, click Verify to complete the verification process and access your account. After successfully signing in, open the project containing the tasks where you want to use keyboard shortcuts. Inside the project, there are several keyboard shortcuts that you can use to make your work easier and manage tasks more efficiently. Select a task that you want to use with keyboard shortcuts. After selecting the task, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the task. The copied task can then be duplicated or moved using the paste function. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the copied task into the selected area. Use the Tab key to move between different task fields and navigate through available task information more quickly. Press Ctrl+Enter to complete the selected task and mark it as finished. Use this shortcut when you want to quickly update the task status without opening additional menus. Press Ctrl+K to open the search menu in Asana. Use the search menu to quickly find tasks, projects, or other information within your workspace. Press Escape to close an open menu, pop-up, or window when you want to return to the previous view. These shortcuts can help you perform common actions faster while working inside Asana.